What's going on, guys? It's JDuth here. Now today I'm going to share with you guys 3 ways you can make money as a teenager in 2021. I'm going to talk a little bit about like stuff that I used to do in the past and stuff I wish I would have started when I was a lot younger. You guys don't know who I am. My name is Jacob and I actually have a YouTube channel with 400,000 subscribers. I'm currently like doing like gaming videos on that channel, and I learned a lot about money within like the past few years. So I feel like I have a lot of knowledge when it comes to like making money online. I'm going to share with you guys some things that I know, no bullshit, no nothing. Like, I'm just gonna tell you guys exactly like what I go through and what I learned. Also, before the video starts, if you guys want to do me a huge favor, smash a like on the video. It really helps promote it to more people, and I would really appreciate you guys doing that. And if you're new, make sure you guys subscribe, okay? Completely free. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And honestly, dude, like the number one thing I can give advice is get a job. I know a lot of people that want to make money might be a little bit afraid of like getting a first job or anything, but hands down, getting one job can actually like teach you a lot of stuff. Now obviously, if you're gonna be a teenager getting a job, you can't like expect like a huge amount of money to be handed to you. Typically you're gonna be working like minimum wage, but it's more of like the experience and learning everything. I'll tell you guys right now, I would have not been in the position I am today if I didn't work those minimum wage jobs and like kind of learned how money works and how much value it has. It's kind of like just a huge lesson in life. I feel like everybody has to go through it. Everyone has to get their first job. You can go off and make your own businesses, but usually people start off working somewhere they don't want to, or maybe somewhere they think they can deserve higher. But overall, like having that experience can actually help you and be really beneficial to your success. Something that I really live by lately is learning is like the first key towards success. So like the more you learn, the further you can go, man. Learning is super important if you're young. Even if you're old, man, like just learning anything can really help you out. My first job actually worked over at a hotel. I had to learn about customer service, cleaning like hotel rooms and everything. And I'll tell you guys what, that customer service really did help me out. I feel like I'm a lot more professional when I talk to, I guess, higher up people. With me being a YouTuber, I talk to a lot of brands for like brand deals and everything. And having that like professionalism when you're talking to business people, it really does help you. It makes you look a lot better. Because I'll tell you guys what, if I went to like these top brands talking all like, yo, what's up, man, you want to work with me? Like, I know chances are they might not take me too seriously. So having that experience with customer service really does take you a far long way. And I'm not even saying that your first job has to be anything where you talk to people. There's still other skills you can learn out there. So getting a job is definitely a good important step. Now the second step I have for you guys is to find something that you guys are actually passionate about. Chances are you probably know somebody that's working a job they do not like, something that they pretty much can't even stand. That's kind of how I was when I started out working. I didn't really like working at a hotel. I didn't like doing like these janitor tasks. It was really not like for me. Now the first real passion I had was like making YouTube videos and gaming. So when I found like success doing something I was actually passionate about, it really took me a long way. I feel like when you're more passionate about something, it's a lot easier to do the work. If I did not like gaming, I probably wouldn't have made gaming videos, but since I love it, it almost felt like I wasn't working. So just having like that passion can really help you out. Keep in mind that not every passion is going to be financially best for you. Let's say that you love skateboarding, right? Like skateboarding is your number one passion, but you might not be that good at it. Chances are, skateboarding can only take you so far. You might have to be like on a pro level to make a lot of money. So you almost have to like take a step back and kind of like assess like, how good you are at this. Is it actually going to earn you money type of thing? Can you make this a long-term like career? A lot of it's just like learning. You just gotta find the things that you're passionate about. Try to find something that you actually do enjoy, because I tell you guys what, having a job that you're actually passionate about is going to take you a lot further than one that you're not passionate about. Now the third tip I have for you guys is to learn how to grow your money and save your money, man. Now I don't know about you guys, but when I was young and I first started making money, the first thing you want to do is go spend it, right? You get your first job, you get your first paycheck, you just want to go buy some stuff you could never buy before without any money. You want to go get shoes, you want to get food, you want to get, I don't know, clothes and everything. This is something that I actually did a lot. When I first got my job, I was super addicted to like basketball shoes and like sneakers. I'd spend so much money just buying different kinds of shoes all the time, and it really started to add up for me. I was making probably like 200 bucks a week, if that, and I'm spending like $150 on shoes. Like that's almost a full week of work for shoes, man. I see this with like other people, a lot of like, I guess, broke people. I know like broke girls, they're going out for drinks on the weekends, everything, wasting the money on like expensive stuff, just like partying and everything. You're literally just throwing that away. Food is definitely a big cost for a lot of people, including myself. Like just try to save on, as much money as you can is really going to help you long term. And the other side of this is actually to grow your money. If you guys watch my other videos about like passive income, Basically, you know, working hours can only get you so much money. You got to learn how to make that money make money for you. As a teenager, I don't think you can do too much with like investing unless you have like parents, but you know, something that I used to do is actually like flip sneakers. I would buy and resell them. Sometimes I'd sell them for a little bit more. But you know, just like little side hustles like that, you got to really like use your money to build more money. So I'll tell you guys what, if you get like $100 paycheck, it's only gonna last you for so long. If you can somehow turn that into like maybe $200, $300, it's gonna last you a lot longer. Plus, from like those small experiences, it's really gonna help you learn like the value of money and how quick you can make it, how fast you can lose it. Overall, it's all a learning experience. You just gotta like learn. Hopefully you can make some smart choices, learn a lot. But yeah, those are the 3 ways I would recommend you guys make money if you guys are a teenager or like a young adult. If I knew about this stuff when I was a little younger, I might have been in a better position than I am now. But the way I look at it is I learned a lot. Even from like all the mistakes I made, I've learned a lot from it, and now it's really helped me. So, you know, just learn by your mistakes. Just learn as much as you can. It's gonna really help you out. Yeah guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Kind of short one. If you guys are new to my channel, this is what I do on this JDude Finance channel. I talk about money, I talk about my past experiences. I'm pretty much just trying to like teach you guys exactly like what I've went through and just share my knowledge. I feel like the knowledge is really important for anybody. So if you guys want to learn more about everything that I do, make sure you guys are subscribing today. This is a new YouTube channel, so I do appreciate every single new subscriber. Now, we're all out here trying to learn. We're all trying to make some money. So if you guys are wanting to, you know, live that lifestyle, make sure you guys are subscribing today. Also, if you guys want to do me a huge favor, make sure you guys smash the like button. It does recommend it to more people if you guys do that. Really easy to do. Appreciate you guys doing that. By the way, I post videos every single Monday. If you guys don't want to miss them, make sure you guys turn on those post notifications down below. Anyways, it's been JDude here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace out, everybody.